Good morning all. I am Dr.B.Angelin, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, working in Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Now I am going to discuss the topic Evolutionary Process Models under the Software Engineering. Evolutionary Process Model. The evolutionary model is based on the concept of making an initial product and then evolving the software product over time with iterative and incremental approaches with proper feedback. In this type of model, the product will go through several iterations and come up when the final product is built through multiple iterations. The develop is carried out simultaneously with the feedback during the development. This model has a number of advantages such as a customer involvement, taking a feedback from the customer during the development and building the exact product that the user wants. Because of the multiple iterations, the chances of errors get reduced and the reliability and efficiency will increase. In this model, the product feedback collective from the concerned department. The feedback is collected during the development and it's carried out in the process, and the advantages and customer involvement are more including in this feedback. Based on this, the iterations will be errors are reduced. Evolutionary process model. This is the structure of evolutionary process model. The outline will be the requirement and the specification, development, validation. The outline process through the development simultaneously in specification and validation. The development will go to the intermediate versions and the specification goes to the initial version and validation goes to the final version. So this is the evolutionary process models, the structure. Types of evolutionary models. The three types of evolutionary models in the software engineering. The first one is iterative model, the second one is incremental model, and the third one is spiral model. Iterative model. In the iterative model is a first we take the initial requirements, then we enhance the product over multiple iterations until the final product gets ready. In every iterations, some design modification were made and some chances in functional requirements is added. The main idea behind this approach is to build the final product through multiple iterations that result in the final product being almost the same as the user wants with fewer errors, and the performance and quality could be high. The iterative model is based on the customer requirement. Based on the customer requirement, it will be go to the development. After the development will completed, the development process will be tested in this model. After that, the testing model will be tested. After that, the implementation will go on. Incremental model. The incremental model, we first build the project with the basic features and then evolve the project in every iterations. It is mainly used for a large projects. The first step is to gather the requirements and then perform analysis, design, code and test. And this process goes the same over and over again until our final project is ready. So the analysis is the first point, and after that the design model, after that the code, after that test, after that implementation. Spiral model. This is the very important in the software engineering. The spiral model is a combination of waterfall and iterative model, and in this we focused on risk handling along with the developing the project with the incremental and iterative approach. It producing an output quickly as well as it is a good for a big project. The software is created through multiple iterations using a spiral approach. After successive development, the final product will develop and the customer iterations is there, so the chance of error get reduced. in this spiral model focused on 4 areas. First one is the object determination and identify alternative solution. The second one is identify and resolve the risk. And third one is develop a next version of the product. The fourth one is review and plan for the next phase. So this is the model of spiral model. Thank you.